What's up, rocket hunters? Let me hit you with this. JZXN just crushed it in after hours trading with a 60.7% explosion to $1.88. We're talking nearly a dollar move on juicy holdings. And it's backed by a real catalyst. A major AI intelligent imaging partnership with an expected $1 million initial profit. This is exactly the kind of earnings-driven momentum that can carry straight into tomorrow's open. Stick around because we found 4 more movers tonight. And one of them hit a 118% move. Let's dig in. Alright, so we're looking at the after-market session on July 10th, 2026. And our AI momentum scanner picked up 5 legitimate rockets worth your attention. This is a solid night. Multiple 6-figure to 9-figure volume candles. Relative volume sitting at 2.0x across the board. And that tells us we're seeing real institutional and retail participation here. Small float names dominating the action. Which is what we want to see when volatility spikes. The volume is there. The moves are authentic. And tomorrow's open could be absolutely wild depending on how these levels hold overnight. Let's break down every single one. JZXN is our top-tier rocket with a 78 out of 100 AI momentum score. And it crushed it tonight with a plus 60.7% move closing at $1.88. Here's why this one's special. It's got a real earnings catalyst backing the move. Juicy Holdings announced plans for an AI intelligent imaging cooperation with an expected $1 million initial profit. And the market absolutely loved it. With TCH for confirmation at market open. Next up is $GMM with a 64 out of 100 score. And hold on. This one ran 118.4% tonight. We're sitting at $4.04 on a moonshot move with massive volume. Nearly 274 million shares. Now here's the thing. There's no recent news catalyst. Which means this is pure technical momentum. That small 36.7 million float got ignited and ran hard. Entry is at $4.04. Target 1 is 4. But the technicals are screaming right now. NVVE comes in with a 63 out of 100 momentum score and a plus 50.7% move to $13.23. We're looking at 35.9 million shares in volume on a tiny 4.9 million float. Zero recent news. So this is pure technical momentum and short squeeze potential. Entry at $13.23. First target 1587.6. Second target 1984.5. Street. Melly volatile. Watch the level holds overnight. AARD delivers a plus 63% move with a 55 out of 100 score. Closing at $8.15. Again, no recent news catalyst here. Which means pure technical play. Float is 17.5 million shares. Volume is healthy at 7.08 million. And the relative volume is 2.0x. Entry at $8.15. Target 1 at $9.78. Target 2 at $12.22.50. Stop at $6.92. Atching for any profit taking at open. Finally. $SUNE closes out R5 with a 55 out of 100 score and a plus 38.6% move to $3.54.9. This one showed up on the most active stocks list, which means broad market recognition. Massive volume at 149.6 million shares on a super tight 2.7 million float. Entry $3.54. Target 1425.88. Target 2532.30. So here's what you need to be watching for tomorrow morning. First, $JZXN is your bread and butter. This has a real earnings catalyst, and you want to see if it holds above that 188 entry level at the open. If it gaps up, that's confirmation. If it gaps down, that's a warning sign. Second, watch the float compression plays. $SUNE, $GMM, and $NVVE all have sub 40 million float structures, which means gap and go potential is real. But so is the risk of a quick reversal. Mark your targets and your stops now because these will move fast. Third, volume confirmation is critical. These after-hours runs mean nothing if tomorrow's opening volume doesn't sustain the move. Watch for heavy buying pressure in the first 15 minutes. And fourth, and this is crucial, watch for any overnight news. These AI, energy, and tech names can gap on earnings announcements or sector rotation overnight. Have your alerts set and hit refresh on your news feeds before 9:30. That's when opportunity becomes reality. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. If you want detailed charts, real-time alerts, and our full momentum scanning data, head over to TDVW.com. That's where we break down the technicals on every single rocket we find. Join thousands of traders who are catching these moves first. Link in the description. Now get some sleep, set your alarms, and I'll see you at the pre-market open tomorrow. Let's go.